The Haitian Creole proverb Dèyè means behind mountains, there are mountains. So the real lesson of this proverb is the fact that we are always going to encounter problems in life, oftentimes one thing after another. Alright, so now here are some examples of how to use this proverb when you are speaking Haitian Creole.
Miss Lynn, se pa ti problem mwen gen la non pitit. Semen pase, mpeti job mwen. Koun ya la yo di m konsa ya monte loyer ya. Bon, deye moun gen moun, ti pa de problem non? Oy.
Eps, Jounel, sak pa se zami pam.
Problem men, problem net. Oh, l'autre jour, docteur a dit konsa ke m fè cancer. Koun ya la, li bon lot bagay li di konsa ke m fon lot infection. Oh, lem se problem, deye moun gen moun, ou kon bagay yo.
So, fun fact, this saying is likely inspired by the fact that Haiti has a lot of mountains. So, let's say, for example, you were to live in the remote parts of Haiti, you would be seeing a lot of mountains, one after another. But sadly, because life mirrors its reality, where we often encounter one problem after another, this saying likely developed over time because of this among the natives. So now here's a fun tip. Here's a quick tip. Let's say, for instance, someone who speaks Haitian Creole is explaining to you his or her problems. Perhaps you can show empathy by saying, mon cher, mwen regret sa. Deye moun gen moun. Persevere, zami. So by saying something like that, not only shows that you speak Haitian Creole quite well, but it also shows that you care and it makes you more relatable. So definitely go ahead and use this saying. And for more videos, lessons like this, visit howtocreole.com. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.